Hey there, I want to share some eye-opening statistics with you. According to a report by the GenPact Center for Women's Leadership, nearly half of the working women professionals leave their jobs at around the age of 30. And here's the kicker. Only 16% manage to climb up that corporate ladder and reach senior positions once they return to work. You know it's not for lack of trying. Many organizations offer support. But let's face it, the challenges we women face vary from one woman to another. It's not just the external factors, it's also those internal struggles like guilt, fear of work-life imbalance, the infamous imposter syndrome, and their limiting beliefs that hold them back. So it's high time we shifted the focus. It's not just about offering support anymore. It's about giving women the tools to craft their own paths to professional success. That's where EmpowHER comes in. It's a program we've designed at Grow with Satori to help women like you find your unique strengths, values, purpose, and claim your seat at the table. Tackle those fears, triggers, and self-limiting beliefs head on and make a plan to conquer them. Master the art of networking with professional groups and building meaningful relationships for your career. Learn how to balance work and personal life by crafting sustainable practices that keep you energized. And finally, set goals for a future with a roadmap to overcome any challenges that come your way. So, who is the program for? It's for all women. Whether you're a woman leader in the mid or senior management who might feel a bit stuck in their own careers, or a woman who's navigating the corporate world and maybe hesitating to reach out to build those vital ties to fuel your own growth, or a homemaker who wishes to reinvent herself. This program welcomes you. Let's make this change together. Join us for the studio residential program called as EmpowHER, your key to unlocking a fulfilling life and career program, and unlock your full potential. To know more about the program, review the link in the text below. The page offers a detailed description of what gets covered, what are the benefits, and some amazing testimonies. You will also be able to see some pictures of all the fun we've had through the past sessions. So what are you waiting for? Take immediate action and invest in yourself, your career, and your life. See you at the program.